Homework solutions, day 3.7. So we're asked to solve these equations using elimination. X plus 3y equals 5, 5x plus 2y equals 12. So looking at these two equations, we have to decide, would it be easier to find a way to get rid of the y's or the x's? Well, in this case, I believe it would be easier to get rid of the x's. What we'll do is we'll simply multiply the first equation by 5 so that it matches the 5x in the second equation. So that first equation multiplied by 5 is 5x plus 3y. 5 times 3y is 15y. 5 times 5 is 25. Now we can stack our equations. We have two equations now, both with 5x's in them. Because they are both the same sign, we'll use subtraction to get rid of the x's. 5x minus 5x is 0x. 15y minus 2y is 13y. And 25 minus 12 is 13. That reduces for a value of 1 for y. Now we'll take that y value of 1 and we'll plug it back into one of our equations up at the top. X plus 3 times 1 equals 5. X plus 3 equals 5. And that further simplifies to give us a value of 2 for x. So we have a x equal 2 and a y equals 1. So our solution is 2, 1. And there's our graph, just to back up what we've just proven. Our next question, we're given two equations, 3x plus 2y equals 2, x plus 4y equals 14. Now we have two options here. We could multiply the second equation by 3 so that the 3x's match up. Or we could multiply the first equation by 2 so the 4y's match up. I've chosen to multiply the second equation by 3, which will make that second equation 3x plus 12y equals 42. Stack my variables. Because the 3x's are both positive, we'll use subtraction to eliminate the x's, which will give us 2y minus 12y equals negative 10y, and 2 minus 42 equals negative 40. Further simplifying, y would equal negative 40 divided by negative 10, which would reduce further to a value of 4 for y. We'll take that y value of 4, we'll plug it back into one of the equations from the top. That'll give us 3x plus 2 times 4 equals 2. That reduces to 3x plus 8 equals 2. Take the 8 to the other side where it becomes a negative 8. Will give us 3x equals negative 6. For a final value for x of negative 2. So our solution is negative 2, 4. And with the graph illustrating this, our lines intersect at the point negative 2, 4. Our next question gives us two equations, 3x minus y equals 2, 2x plus 3y equals 16. It looks like it would be easiest to multiply the top equation by 3 so that our y's match up. So we'll do that. 3 times 3x minus y equals 2 will give us 9x minus 3y equals 2. We can stack it with the other equation. 9x minus 3y equals 2 and 2x plus 3y equals 16. Because one of the 3y's is negative and the other 3y is positive, we'll use positive to eliminate the y's. Adding our x's, we'll get 11x, and our 6 plus 16 will give us 22. Simplifying and solving for x gives us a value of 2 for x. Now we'll take that x value of 2 and we'll plug it back into our equation. 3 times 2 minus y equals 2. We'll further reduce to 6 minus y equals 2. Negative y equals negative 4. Therefore, y equals 4. So our solution will be 2, 4. A local band named Rock held a concert where 5,000 people attended, with X representing the number of lower bowl tickets and Y representing the number of upper bowl seating tickets. This is represented by the equation X plus Y equals 5,000. So as in sporting events and concerts and shows and such, the lower bowl tickets tend to be more expensive than the upper seats. So the lower bowl tickets cost $60, while the upper bowl tickets cost $40. Ticket sales totaled $264,000. This is represented by the equation 60x plus 60y equals 300,000. So we're a bit fortunate in this question in that we're actually given the equations. X plus y equals 5,000. 60x plus 60y equals 300,000. So X represents the upper bowl tickets, and Y represents the number of lower bowl tickets. X plus Y equals 5,000. 60x plus 40y equals 300,000. Now, using elimination, we have to try and match up one of those variables. So we can do that by multiplying the top equation, x plus y equals 5,000. If we multiply that by 60, then we can match it up with our second equation. So 60 times x plus y equals 5,000 multiplied by 60 will give us 60x plus 60y equals 300,000. Our second equation remains 60x plus 40y equals 264,000. Because the x's are both positive, both the same sign, we can eliminate them using subtraction. And when we do that, we're left with 20y equals 36,000. Y equals 36,000 divided by 20. Y equals 1,800. We take that value of 1,800 and we plug it back into one of the equations. The easier one seems to be x plus y equals 5,000. So we'll plug in that 1800 into the equation. Simplifying to x equals 5,000 minus 1800. Further simplifying to a value of 3,200 for x. So x is 3,200. Y is 1,800. Our solution, or point of intersection, is 3,200, 1,800. And our therefore statement should read they sold 3,200 upper bowl tickets and 1,800 lower bowl tickets.